Jai Swaminarayan students. Today we'll be seeing the answers, we'll discuss the answers of the worksheet which I have sent. I hope you all have written the answers. Kindly check the answers and correct it if it is needed. First, physical parts of computer is called dash, hardware or software? It is called hardware, right? Next, the processing device of computer system is mouse or CPU? It is CPU. Why? Because mouse is an input device. The set of instructions is called dash, device or software? Answer will be software. The example of system software is WordPad or Windows 7. System software is Windows 7 and WordPad is your application software. There are dash types of software, 2 or 3? Answer will be 2. 2 types of softwares like system software and application software. Next, MS Paint is only used for writing text, true or false? It is false. Why? Because you can draw, you can paint, you can add photos also, right? So that's why answer will be false. Next, dash is an example of output device, scanner or speaker? Answer will be speaker. Why? Because scanner is an input device. We put information inside the scanner using the inside the computer using the scanner. Next, dash is an example of application software, Windows 7 or Notepad? Answer will be Notepad because Windows 7 is a system software. Dash is an example of input device. Answer will be keyboard. Why? Because speaker is an output device. Which key am I? First, I allow you to write letters of the alphabets. Who am I? I am the number key or alphabet key? I will be the alphabet key because I allow to write down the letters of the alphabets. I allow you to scroll up the page. Home key or page up key? Answer will be page up key. And home key, it takes your cursor to the starting of the line, right? And page up key, it allows you to scroll the page up. I allow you to move cursor to the end of the line. End key or page down key? Answer will be end key, right? Because page down key, it scrolls your page to the downwards, but to move the cursor to the end of the line we use end key. The last one, I act as shortcut and enable you to do several functions quickly. Escape key or function key? Answer will be function key, right? And if you want to close any application, at that time we use escape key. So the shortcut key to do several functions quickly, the answer will be function key, right? Children, I hope you all have written the correct answers. Kindly check it and correct the answers if necessary. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.